When the sun sets on the pristine shores of Lamai Beach, Koh Samui's second-largest beach town comes alive with an eclectic mix of activities, bars, clubs, and restaurants. Known for its laid-back vibe, Lamai Nightlife offers something for everyone, from relaxed evenings by the beach to electrifying parties that go well into the night. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time visitor, here's your ultimate guide to the best that Lamai Nightlife has to offer.
Travel is more than just moving from one place to another. It's a journey into the unknown, a dance with unfamiliar cultures, and a way to discover parts of ourselves we never knew existed. Whether it's the thrill of exploring hidden alleys in a bustling city, or the serenity of watching a sunset over a remote mountain, travel offers a tapestry of experiences that enrich the soul and broaden the mind. Thank you for stopping by Beyond Horizon. We're thrilled to have you here, and we can't wait to share content that inspires, entertains, and adds a little extra spark to your day. Your support means the world to us.
Lamai Beachfront Bars. Lamai Beach is famous for its stunning sunset views, making it the perfect spot to start your evening. Many beachfront bars offer happy hour deals from late afternoon until early evening. Head to the swing bar or bikini bar, where you can sip on tropical cocktails, enjoy fire shows, and listen to live music as the waves gently lap the shore. These bars are great for socializing, with an international crowd that mixes travelers and locals. The chilled atmosphere is ideal for those who prefer a more relaxed evening, yet still want to experience the essence of Lamai. Lamai Live Music. For live music lovers, Lamai has several spots where talented local bands and international artists perform every night. Bondi Aussie Bar and Grill is one of the top destinations for live performances, showcasing everything from reggae to rock. With its casual vibe and friendly staff, it's a favorite hangout for tourists and expats alike. Another excellent venue is Shamrock Irish Pub, offering both live music and DJs spinning a mix of old-school classics and contemporary hits. The pub's lively crowd and affordable drinks make it a hotspot for those looking to have fun without breaking the bank. Lamai Night Markets. Lamai's Sunday night market is an essential stop for anyone seeking an authentic local experience. From 5 p.m. onwards, the town's main street transforms into a bustling market filled with street food vendors, handmade crafts, souvenirs, and live entertainment. You can sample Thai street food delicacies like grilled seafood, mango sticky rice, and pad Thai while exploring the colorful stalls. This night market isn't just about shopping and eating, it's also a great place to enjoy live performances. Street musicians, fire dancers, and traditional Thai dancers often perform along the main road, adding to the festive atmosphere. Lamai Clubbing Scene. Lamai is no stranger to the lively party culture that Thailand is famous for, and the nightlife here can get pretty wild after dark. If you're looking to dive into the go-go bar scene, Superman Cabaret and Sexy Bar are among the most popular spots in town. These bars feature energetic shows and lively dance performances that are typical of Thailand's more risque nightlife offerings. For those in search of a clubbing experience, Fusion Club and the Cliff Club are where the action is. Open until the early hours of the morning, these clubs attract a younger, energetic crowd. With top-notch DJs spinning everything from EDM to hip-hop, these spots offer the perfect place to dance the night away. Lamai Night Spots. If a mellow vibe is more your speed, Lamai also has plenty of relaxed options where you can wind down. Visit Le Méridien Koh Samui's Latitude 9 Degrees, an upscale bar offering panoramic ocean views and a chic atmosphere. It's the perfect spot to enjoy a nightcap or a quiet drink with friends, away from the hustle and bustle of the more vibrant areas. Alternatively, head to Koh County Beach Bar if you're after a relaxed boho vibe. With hammocks, beach beanbags, and tiki torches, this bar offers the quintessential island experience where you can unwind with a cocktail in hand, listening to the soft sounds of the ocean. Lamai Eateries. After a night of drinks and dancing, Lamai offers several late-night eateries to satisfy your cravings. Street food stalls stay open late, serving everything from grilled meats and fresh seafood to savory pancakes and fried rice. If you're looking for a sit-down option, 70 Fahrenheit Restaurant offers both Thai and Western dishes in a cozy, late-night atmosphere. For something truly local, try the famous Lamai Mui Thai Stadium food stalls that operate outside the stadium during matches. Offering authentic Thai dishes, these food vendors are a go-to for anyone looking to grab a delicious bite post-party. Lamai Mui Thai Nights. Lamai also boasts its own Mui Thai Stadium, a must-see for fans of Thailand's national sport. Lamai Mui Thai Stadium hosts regular fight nights that provide an exhilarating break from the beach bars and clubs. The intensity of the fights combined with the enthusiastic crowd creates an electric atmosphere. Catching a live Mui Thai match is an experience that adds a unique cultural flavor to your night out. Lamai Nightlife is an exciting blend of beachside serenity, vibrant party spots, and authentic local experiences. Whether you're in the mood for sipping cocktails by the ocean, dancing the night away at a club, or discovering local flavors at a bustling night market, Lamai has it all. With its relaxed yet energetic vibe, this Koh Samui hotspot offers a little something for everyone, making it the perfect destination for an unforgettable night out in Thailand.
Thank you for taking the time to visit. Your support means the world to us. Hit subscribe and get ready for exciting future contents that we can't wait to share with you.